Today I'm going to show you how to embed a video on X, formerly Twitter, in the simplest way possible. This is a quick and useful trick if you want to share a video while also adding your own commentary, context, or opinion directly to your timeline. Instead of just reposting the video as is, you can quote it, which lets you embed it into your post and make it part of your own content. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media guides just like this one. It really helps the channel and it helps more people find these tutorials too. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X on your phone or in your browser and find the video post you want to share. This can be any public video post that you want to comment on or embed into your own timeline. Once you've found the post, look underneath the video where you'll see the row of action icons. You want to click the repost or retweet icon. This is the button that usually gives you options for sharing the post in different ways. When you click it, a small menu will appear. In that menu, choose quote. Selecting quote is the key step here because it lets you embed the original video into a new post while adding your own text above it. This means your followers will see your commentary first, along with the original video attached underneath. It's a great way to add context, react to something, or share a video with your own take. After you click quote, X will open the post composer. Here, you can type whatever you want to say about the video. You might add a short reaction, a summary, a question, or any commentary that fits your message. The original video will remain embedded in the post, so it stays connected to your quote. Take a moment to review everything before posting. Make sure your comment says exactly what you want, and make sure the correct video is attached below it. Once you're happy with it, click post or tweet depending on what version of X you're using. And that's it, you've now embedded a video on X by using the quote feature. It's fast, simple, and perfect for sharing videos with your own voice attached. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for X, Twitter, and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.